Yes, mom. What happened?
Stay quiet, son. Don't say anything. Just see everything. Hey, where are you, old woman? Yes, daughter in law. What happened? Nothing. Just go and bring a glass of water for me. All household work is done? Yes, it's done. And what you have prepared in food? That what you told me. Rajma rice. Will I bring them? No. I ate from outside. Hey, if you wanted to eat from outside, so the food which I have cooked, what we will do with that? How we will throw so much food? Daughter, if you were eating outside, you should have told me so that this food doesn't get wasted. Groceries coming from your money that you have so much problem where it will go, where not? Do one thing, massage my feet. They are so much paining. Don't you have strength in your hands? Massage properly. Hey, will you break my feet? Pushing them so hard. You can't do a single work properly. Hello?
Hello? What are you doing?
Nothing. Just I finished all the household work. I just got free.
And where is mom?
Mother is inside the room. She's having rest. I just got fruits for her, cutting them only.
Is she fine?
Yes, she's fine. Don't worry about her. I'm here with her now.
Okay.
What were you telling him? You are the one who did all the household work. So will I tell him the truth? If you won't tell him, na, I will tell him the truth. Really? You will tell him? I think you don't want to stay here in this home. You are the one who should not live here. You behave so decent in front of my son, like nobody is better than you in this world. And behind his back? Listen to me, old woman. If you want to live in this home, you have to live according to me. Otherwise, I'll send you at that place. You will remember it for your whole life. Let him come today at home. I will tell him all the truth. What? You will tell him? Wait. Hey, come on. Leave me. What are you doing, daughter-in-law? Get lost from my home. And if you need good for your son, na, so no need to come back here, understood? Old woman, you again came. I think you won't understand like this. I have to teach you a lesson. Mother-in-law, where were you? You know, I was so much worried about you. You went out. At least you could tell me.
You should be in Mumbai. What are you doing here?
Why Mumbai?
You act so well. You change your character so quickly.
Sanju, I don't understand.
I understood everything. You will talk to mom so nicely in front of me. You behaved very well. That there is no better wife in the world except you. And behind my back, you will make her do all the housework. You'll make her massage your feet. And you will say what? I did all the work.
No, there is nothing like that. I'm the one who is doing everything, really. Don't lie, daughter-in-law. Today I made video call to Sanju. And Sanju saw everything from his eyes, whatever you were doing with me in this home. Oh, okay. I agree I did all this today. What is it now? I was not feeling well today. So I thought that I'll take mother-in-law's help. That's why...
Just stop it. Your acting is not going to work here anymore. You don't want to live with my mom, right? Now I don't want to live with you. Get out of my house.
Sanju, what are you saying this, Sanju? Where I will go?
You should have thought about this when you threw my mom out of the house. If I found out, then what will happen to you? Now it's good for you. Just get out of my house.
Sanju, I did mistake. I'm really saying true. It won't happen again. Mother-in-law, please forgive me.
Can't you hear me? Get out. Mom, why didn't you tell me this before?
Son, she was threatening me. If I will tell you anything, she will push me out of the home. Till the time I was tolerating, I did that. But I was not able to tolerate anymore.
Please forgive me, Mom. You had to bear all this even when I was there.
No, son. It's not your fault.